Digital forensics is a fascinating field. It involves investigating digital devices. These devices can be computers, phones, or even drones. The goal is to find digital evidence. This evidence can be used in legal proceedings. Digital forensics has evolved significantly. Early cases involved traditional computers. Now we deal with complex devices. These include smartphones, cloud storage, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. The rise of drones presents new challenges. Drones generate a lot of data. This data can include flight logs, images, and videos. Analyzing this data requires specialized skills. As technology advances, digital forensics must keep pace. This ensures that justice can be served in the digital age. Digital forensics operates on several core principles. These principles are crucial for ensuring the reliability and admissibility of evidence. Integrity. Foremost is maintaining the integrity of digital evidence. This means ensuring that the evidence is not altered during the investigation. Any changes can make the evidence inadmissible in court. Consistency procedures must be consistent and repeatable. This means that the same steps should yield the same results every time. This ensures the reliability and accuracy of findings. Repeatability. The process of data acquisition and analysis must be repeatable. Any qualified examiner should be able to reproduce the same results. This demonstrates the validity of the investigation. Transparency. All steps taken during the investigation must be fully documented. This includes the tools used, procedures followed, and findings obtained. Transparency ensures the accountability of the forensic process. Digital forensics is not a monolithic field. It encompasses various subfields, each specializing in a particular type of digital device or data. Network forensics. This subfield deals with the investigation of network traffic. It's crucial in cases involving hacking, data breaches, and cybercrime. In drone forensics, network data can reveal communication patterns between the drone and its controller. Mobile forensics. As the name suggests, mobile forensics focuses on recovering data from mobile devices. This includes smartphones, tablets, and GPS devices. In the context of drones, analyzing mobile devices used to control them can provide valuable insights. Multimedia forensics. This branch deals with the analysis of multimedia content. This includes images, videos, and audio files. Drones often capture vast amounts of multimedia data. Analyzing this data can be crucial in investigations. Evidence integrity is paramount in drone forensics. Drones are susceptible to data alteration. Maintaining evidence integrity is crucial. Actions must not modify original data. This includes data acquisition, analysis, and storage. Write blockers prevent data writing. Hashing creates a digital fingerprint. Hash values verify data integrity. Proper documentation is essential. It proves responsible evidence handling. Section 5. Maintaining evidence continuity. Evidence continuity, also known as chain of custody, is a critical aspect of drone forensics. It refers to the chronological documentation of evidence handling from the moment it's collected until it's presented in court. Maintaining a clear and unbroken chain of custody is crucial for ensuring the admissibility of evidence in court. It demonstrates that the evidence has been handled responsibly and has not been tampered with or contaminated. Each person who handles the evidence must be documented, along with the date, time, and purpose of access. This creates a clear and verifiable record of the evidence's journey from the crime scene to the courtroom. Any gaps or inconsistencies in the chain of custody can raise doubts about the integrity of the evidence. This can lead to the evidence being deemed inadmissible, potentially jeopardizing the entire case. Section 6. Identifying drone make and model. The first step in any drone forensic investigation is identifying the make and model of the drone. This information is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps investigators understand the drone's capabilities and limitations. Different drones have different flight ranges, camera specifications, and data storage capacities. Secondly, knowing the make and model allows investigators to obtain the necessary tools and software for data extraction and analysis. Some drones may require specialized software or hardware interfaces to access their data. The drone's physical appearance, markings and labels can provide clues about its make and model. Investigators can refer to online databases, manufacturer websites, and drone enthusiast forums to match these characteristics to specific models. Once the make and model are identified, investigators can gather further information about the drone's specifications, features, and any known vulnerabilities. This information lays the groundwork for subsequent stages of the investigation. Section 7. Initial examination and case review. Once the drone has been secured, the initial examination begins. This step focuses on documenting the drone's physical condition and gathering any readily available information. Photographs and videos of the drone should be taken from various angles to document its overall condition. Investigators carefully examine the drone for any signs of damage, such as cracks, dents, or missing parts. These damages could provide insights into the drone's history or the circumstances of the incident under investigation. Any identifying marks, such as serial numbers, registration numbers, or owner information, should be documented. This information can help trace the drone back to its owner or provide leads for further investigation. The initial examination also involves reviewing any available case-related information. This may include witness statements, incident reports, or surveillance footage. This information provides context for the investigation and helps investigators formulate initial hypotheses. Section 8. Damage and modification analysis. After the initial examination, investigators conduct a thorough analysis of any damage or modifications found on the drone. This step is crucial for understanding whether the damage was pre-existing or occurred during the incident, and whether any modifications were made to alter the drone's functionality. Damage analysis involves examining the nature, location, and extent of any damage. For instance, impact damage might suggest a collision, while burn marks could indicate an electrical failure. Modifications, on the other hand, are intentional alterations made to the drone's hardware or software. These could range from simple cosmetic changes to more complex modifications designed to enhance performance or functionality. Investigators use a variety of tools and techniques to analyze damage and modifications. This may include microscopy to examine damage patterns, X-rays to detect internal modifications, and software analysis to identify any changes to the drone's firmware or flight control system. Section 9. Data storage locations in drones. Drones store data in various locations. The primary location is the internal flash memory. It stores flight logs, sensor data, and media. Many drones have SD card slots for expandable storage. SD cards hold high-resolution images and videos. Data can also reside in the drone's volatile memory, or RAM. RAM contents are lost when the drone is powered off. Section 10. Data extraction techniques. Extracting data from drones requires specialized techniques and tools. The specific methods used depend on the drone model, the type of data storage, and the forensic goals of the investigation. For data stored on internal flash memory, chip-off techniques may be necessary. This involves physically removing the memory chip from the drone's circuit board and using specialized equipment to read its contents. Chip-off is a delicate procedure that requires expertise to avoid damaging the chip and losing valuable data. Data on SD cards can typically be accessed using card readers connected to a forensic workstation. However, it's crucial to use write blockers to prevent any modifications to the original data during the extraction process. Volatile memory, or RAM data, being temporary, requires specialized tools and techniques for acquisition. Forensic software can be used to create a snapshot of the drone's RAM, capturing its contents at a specific moment in time. Section 11. Preserving evidence in drone forensics. Preserving the integrity of evidence is paramount in drone forensics. Drone data is susceptible to alteration, requiring strict forensic practices. Data should be stored on write-protected media to prevent modifications. This ensures data remains reliable for court. Chain of custody documentation is crucial. Every interaction must be meticulously documented. Maintain a secure chain of custody for the physical drone. Store the drone securely to prevent tampering or theft.